Okay, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hope you learned all the formulas related to integration and differentiation. Huh? Anila Mohanan, shall you record? Ready? Yes. Aparna, we can start with Aparna. Derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin
Ma'am,
x.
cos x.
Very good. Tomlin, derivative of tan x.
Sec square x.
Very good. Karthik, derivative of cosec x.
Minus cosec x cot x.
Anex, integral of cos x.
Sin x plus c.
Sin x plus c. Anila Mohanan, integral of sec square x. Okay, without looking the notebook, you give your answer, children. Learn it. Every day morning, learn the formula.
Tan x plus
Tan x plus c. Aditya Satyan, integral of cosec x cot x.
minus cosec x plus c.
Minus cosec x plus c. Aishwarya, integral of cosec square x dx.
Minus cot x plus c.
Shubham,
Yes, ma'am.
integral of sec square x.
Tan x plus c.
Tan x plus. Okay, so write the formula in your formula notebook. Keep the notebook ready with you. Okay, all the time. Keep it during the maths class. Keep the formula book ready. Okay, every day learn the formulas in the formula booklets. Not for one day or once in a while. Every day morning, one time go through the formula booklets. Okay, all the chapters, not in only the integration and differentiation. All the formulas. Read it every day. Okay. Now listen, children. In the last class, we discussed about differential equation, isn't it? What is the differential equation? What is the differential equation? An equation? Yes, Aishwarya. What is the differential equation?
An equation with a solution and an equal to sign with variables.
Repeat it. An equation with
An equal to sign
ah,
and with variables.
variables, constants, along with one important term is there, along with equations. Okay, variables and constants are there means it will become an equation. Now we want differential equation. So which term should be present there? With the, yes, Karthik. What is differential equation?
It is an equation involving derivatives of a dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable.
Okay, that is the main thing you have to include. Okay, an equation involving a derivative of a dependent variable. Okay, derivative of dependent variable with respect to an independent variable along with the constants and all. Okay. Suppose I am writing dy by dx equal to 0. Dy by dx equal to 0. Is it a differential equation or not? And right, children, I'm writing dy by dx equal to 0. Is it a differential equation or not? Dy by dx is equal to 0. Is it a differential equation or not?
No.
It is a differential equation. Okay, it is a differential equation. Equal to symbol is there, derivative is there, but no constant. Okay, is it clear? This is a differential equation. Suppose I write like this. Is it a differential equation? It is not a differential equation because no derivative term is there, isn't it? Derivative term is missing. So it is not a differential equation. So differential equation means we need the derivative terms. Okay, it is an equation. Okay, that is the term you have to learn clearly. You should understand the difference there. Okay, equal to symbol, a constant and variable is there means it is not a differential equation. Along with which term we need? The derivative we need. Okay, derivatives must be present. If the derivatives are there, then it will become a differential equation. Is it clear? Hmm? Okay, now, and what else we learned in the last class? What else we learned? Differential equation. Next we'll discuss this degree and order. Zana, Aparna, give me what is the degree of a differential equation. First you define order, then we can come on to degree. What is the order of a differential equation?
Ma'am, order of the differential equation is the order of the highest derivative present in the equation.
Okay. Okay, and what about degree? Aditya Satyan? What about degree of a differential equation?
Degree is the power of the
It is the power of the highest order derivative present in the equation. Okay. Now, and what about the solution? Tom Levy. What about solution of a differential equation? What about solution of a differential equation?
And it's the variable involved.
Solution. What is meant by solution of a differential equation? Anila Mohanan. What is meant by solution of a differential equation? Karthik.
It is a function and the variables involved in the differential equation which satisfy the given equation.
It is a function involving x and y, okay, which satisfies the given differential equation. It is a function which satisfies the given differential equation. It is a function which satisfies the given differential equation. Is it okay? Is it clear? It is a function which satisfies the given differential equation. Okay, now I'll give one equation. Tell me what is the order and what is the degree. Write the question. Give the order and degree of the differential equation. Give the order and degree of the differential equation. dy by dx plus 3d square y by dx square plus 9y is equal to 0. What is the order and what is the degree?
Order is 2 degrees 1.
Order is 2. Hi, second order derivative, and so degree is 1. Order is 2 and degree is 1. Okay. Now, tell me children, what is the order and what is the degree? dy by dx the whole cube plus 1 is equal to root of d square y by dx square. What is the order and what is the degree?
Order is 2 and degrees 1.
Order is 2 and the degree is 1. How we are getting that one, Aishwarya?
We should remove the root first.
Okay. Whenever we get radicals, that is, whenever we get fractions, power negative and all, we should remove it. Okay, we should try to remove it. After removing only, we have to find out the order and degree. So we are squaring here on both the sides. So dy by dx the whole cube plus 1. The whole square is d square y by dx square. Okay, dy by dx the whole cube plus 1. The whole square is equal to d square y by dx square. So what is the order and what is the degree? What is the order and what is the degree? Yes. What is the order and what is the degree?
Order is 2 and degree is 1.
Order is 2, degree is 1. Is it correct, Karthik? Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write the next one. Next one. dy by dx plus e raised to dy by dx equal to 1. What is the order and what is the degree?
Order is 1, degree not defined.
Order is 1 and degree is not defined. Whenever we get the differential term as a function of another one, we'll be saying that order is 1 and degree is not defined. Okay? And okay, now write the next type question, children. So the next one is okay. Next is we are going to check whether the given function is a solution or not. Okay, write the question. Check whether y is equal to 4 sine 3x. Check whether y is equal to 4 sine 3x is a solution. Check whether y is equal to 4 sine 3x is a solution of the differential equation. Is the solution of the differential equation d square y by dx square x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx equal to 0. X square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx, sorry children, here one more term is there, minus y is equal to 0. X square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. Check whether this is a solution or not. So how to check this? Is a solution or not? How will you check this one? Is it a solution or not? Y is 4 sine 3x, isn't it? Y is equal to 4 sine 3x. Then,
Find the first derivative.
yes, you find out the derivative. Find the derivatives. Okay, okay, Aishwarya. So we have to find the first order derivative and how many derivatives you have to find here? Karthik,
2.
2. First order as well as second order. Is it clear, Aparna? We are finding first order derivative and second order derivative. Why we are finding first order and second order? Shubham, why we are finding the first order and second order derivative? Yes, Shubham.
Yes, ma'am.
Why we are finding first order and second order derivative? Why we are not stopping with first order? If I stop with first order derivative, is it possible to check if it is a solution or not?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? 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 When you give the reason, okay, when you say the answer, you should explain it. Why? Yes, Tomlin, tell me. Why we have to find the Tomlin? Tomlin, can you hear me what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Why we have to find the second order derivative?
Because in the case and there is both.
Very good. Okay. In the given differential equation, look at the order of the differential equation. Look at the order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation is 2, isn't it? We have d square y by dx square. Second order derivative is there. So we have to find up to the second order derivative. Is it clear, Aishwarya? So in the differential equation, we have first order derivative and second order derivative. So we are finding the first order derivative as well as the second order derivative.
Ma'am, you're muted.
4 sine 3x. Okay, Aishwarya, thank you. 4 sine 3x. Is it a solution or not? Okay, so we are finding the first order derivative and second order derivative. What is first order derivative? Dy by dx is equal to 4 into, what is derivative of sine 3x? It is cos 3x into 3. Cos 3x into 3. Okay. So that is 12 cos 3x. It is 12 cos 3x. Now find out the second order derivative. Now find the second order derivative. This 12 into, what is the derivative of cos x? What is the derivative of cos x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sine x. So here it is minus sine 3x into 3. Okay. Function of function rule. In the place of x, we have 3x. So when you differentiate 3x, we will get 3. So this is minus 36 sine 3x. Minus 36 sine 3x. So first order derivative is 4 sine 3x. Second order derivative is 12 cos 3x. And what about the next order derivative? Minus 36 sine 3x. Substitute this in the given equation. Substitute this in the given differential equation and check whether it is satisfying or not. Substitute for d square y by dx square, substitute for dy by dx, and substitute for y. And check whether it is satisfying or not. So you substitute here x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y is equal to x square. What is d square y by dx square? Minus 36 sine 3x plus x into, what is dy by dx? 12 cos 3x minus 4 sine 3x minus 4 sine 3x. So when you open this, you'll get minus 36 minus 36 x square sine 3x plus 12x cos 3x minus 4 sine 3x. Is it equal to 0? But then it is getting cancelled there. Is it getting cancelled? Aishwarya? No, we are not getting to equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a
Not a
solution.
solution.
It is not a solution. If the equation is satisfying, means it is a solution. Otherwise, it is not a solution. Okay, if it is satisfying, it is a solution. Otherwise, it is not at all a solution. Is it okay, Shubham? Are you able to follow this, Shubham? Write the next question, children. Write the next one. Check whether y is equal to check whether y is equal to 4 cos 3x. Check whether y is equal to 4 cos 3x is a solution of d square y by dx square plus 9y equal to 0. d square y by dx square plus 9y is equal to 0.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Check whether y is equal to 4 cos 3x. 4 cos 3x is a solution of d square y by dx square plus 9y is equal to 0. d square y by dx square plus 9y is equal to 0. Check whether 4 cos 3x is a solution of d square y by dx square plus 9y is equal to 0. Okay, now listen. Okay, so you find out your first order derivative and then second order derivative. Shubham, tell me what is the first order derivative here. Shubham, give me the first order derivative. Yes, Shubham, try to give the first order derivative.
Cos 3x.
4 into, what is derivative of cos x? What is the derivative of cos x?
Sin x.
Check it. What is derivative of cos x?
Minus sin x.
It is minus sin x. So what will be the derivative of cos 3x?
4 into minus sin x.
Minus sin
3x.
3x into 3. What is the derivative of x? That one you should write there. So into 3. Okay, so it is minus 12 sin 3x. Minus 12 sin 3x. Then find out what is the second order derivative. What is the second order derivative?
Minus 36 cos 3x.
You give step by step so that others will be all able to understand.
Minus 12 into cos 3x
Hmm.
into 3.
Is it okay, Shubham? Minus 12 into, what is the derivative of sin 3x?
Cos 3x.
Cos 3x into 3. So we will get this as minus 36 cos 3x. Minus 36 cos 3x. So now substitute this. Substitute this in the equation d square y by dx square plus 9y, which is equal to, what is d square y by dx square? Minus 36 cos 3x plus 9 into y. What is y? 4 cos 3x. So we will get minus 36 cos 3x plus 36 cos 3x. So minus and plus will get cancelled. We will get it is 0. We get this as 0. It is 0. Is it okay? Is it okay, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, what we can say, what we can conclude?
It is a solution.
It
It
is a
is a solution.
solution. So 4 cos 3x is the solution. So y is equal to 4 cos 3x is a solution. Y is equal to 4 cos 3x is a solution. Now try the next question, children. Try this next question. Check whether y is equal to a cos mx plus b. Check whether y is equal to a cos mx plus b is the solution of is the solution of d square y by dx square. Is it a solution of d square y by dx square minus m square y equal to b? Is equal to, children, is equal to m square b. Write it this as m square b. Check whether y is equal to a cos mx plus b is a solution of d square y by dx square minus m square y equal to m square b. Is it a solution? A and b are constants, isn't it? A and b are constant. M is also a constant. So y is equal to a cos mx plus b. Find out what is dy by dx. This is a into, what is derivative of cos x? What is the derivative of cos x?
Sinus sin x.
Minus sine x, isn't it? Minus sine mx into m plus, here no x term is there. So whenever we differentiate the term without x, the derivative will be 0, no x term. So derivative will be 0. So it is minus am sine mx. This minus am sine mx. Okay. Now find the second order derivative. It is d square y by dx square minus am into, what is the derivative of sine mx? Derivative
Cos
of
mx.
cos mx into m. So it is minus am square into cos mx. This minus am square into cos mx. Okay. Minus am square into cos mx. Now substitute in this equation. Substitute in this equation. When you substitute in that equation, what you will get? When you substitute in this equation, what you will get? D square y by dx square minus m square y is equal to, I am substituting in LHS. When you substitute in LHS, If you are getting it is equal to RHS, it is satisfying, isn't it? I'm substituting in LHS. What is d square y by dx square? Minus am square cos mx minus m square y. What is m square y? Y is a cos mx plus b. So that is minus am square cos mx minus am square cos mx minus m square b. So now these two will get cancelled. You are getting minus m square b. And children, okay, it is minus m square b. Is it a solution here? What about in RHS? What we are having in RHS? In RHS we have positive m square b, isn't it? So which is not equal to RHS. Therefore, it is not a solution. Therefore, it is not a solution. I think we have one more period, isn't it? Is that no, children? I think one more period. One more period we have. Is it for you, Aishwarya? 2 to
Yes,
3?
ma'am.
Okay. So that time we'll be learning more about solution. Types of solutions are there. Particular solution, general solution. No. Okay, that one we'll be learning in the next period. Is the previous question okay? Anila Mohanan, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So to check is it a solution or not? To check whether it is a solution or not, substitute in the given equation. Substitute it in the given differential equation and you have to check. Okay? Is it okay, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, the derivatives concept, if you are thorough, this part we can do it easily. Is it a solution or not? That part we can do it easily. Okay? Okay, children. With this, I end this session now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.